Ka Public Accounts Committee jong ka ying dorbar thawan jong ka Jylla ha ka sithok ding jong ka tayo kala lum ye ka jingelang bat ki he jong ka Tnat agriculture bat horticulture jong ka Jylla bat ka Public Accounts Committee kala Kynthoh jur ya ka rukom trekam jong kini Tnat Sorkar halor ka jing bamla ban pendan kam ya ka Pisa ka bala ahai ka Sorkar Pdeng bat ka Sorkar Jylla ban pentrekam iki skim ba pher
Ya kini kejingalang la penyat Chairman ka Public Accounts Committee ba Charles Pengrop ha ka balai don lang ki dikhot ka Public Accounts Committee ki he officer jong ka Tnat karap karyang ka Tnat horticulture bat ka animal husbandry bat veterinary bat kiwe. Uba Charles Pengrop ulong bakat kum ka kaipot jong Controller Auditor General kari India ka Tnat karap karyang bat ka Tnat horticulture kim lala ban penan kam ka Pisa ka bala pelong yaki ban Pynphai no egen ka Pisa ka bala bahak ka Sorkar Pdeng bat ka Sorkar Jylla ban pentre kam ki skim ba pher. Bat kani kalawan rak ka jing do nong bat penduk jing mentoy kinong rap ka Jylla. Uba Himalaya Moktan Sang Pliang ulong ba ka Tnat horticulture kam lala ban penan kam ka Pisa ka balamang da ka Finance Commission ka bakat lai ka bala kot lai pupra klur bat naka khat khandai klur ka bala pelat ka Jylla kala ban penan kam tang nyau point lai hendriu klur. Ulong ba ka Tnat karap karyang kala Pynphai no ka Pisa ba khandai klur ka Sorkar na ba kam lala ban penan kam ne ka Pisa ka bade skim na ka bantah ban ai subsidi ginong rap ban thiet ki power tiller ki tiar rap ban ai jing hikai bat kibe. Uba Charles Pengrop ulong ru ba ka Public Accounts Committee kala ai por artayo ya ka Tnat animal husbandry bat veterinary bagan ai gijing tep ki babania ha ka bedai bat gijing tai ya ka jaka sho do hadem tring hajantia hills ka bala kot nyo point riau klur tengka.
Accountant General's office was not very pleased in the manner in which the funds were utilized and the overall functioning of the department needed to be improved tremendously, because considering that Meghalaya is basically an agrarian state with about 80% of its total population living in rural areas, the impetus to make it self-sufficient in agricultural products needs to be given a fillip by the department by having clear-cut policies in how we should educate, train and equip our farmers and entrepreneurs in this field. So it was found that the department was lacking in this respect.
Because the horticulture department delayed in submitting the UC to the central government, now it cost the state 19 crores. Meaning out of 38 crores, now the state got only 19 crores. So it is a sad state of affairs that this department has not followed up with the balance amount. And when we cross-checked the work, we found that they have not conducted baseline survey, nor have they obtained certifications from the National Horticulture Board. There are a lot of lapses for which I think the state as a whole has been deprived of such a wonderful scheme from the 13th Finance Commission.